Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Today we're creating this gorgeous two-piece girls set. Begin by folding your fabric in half and half again. Use your child's vest to trace around. Carefully cut around the vest, leaving a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Fold your vest 3 inches above the armhole and cut. You now have your front and your back main pattern pieces. For the ruffles, cut a piece of fabric measuring approximately 50 inches long and 7 inches wide. Fold this piece in half and cut again, and this will give us the front and back ruffle piece. Now cut another 2 pieces of fabric measuring the width of the top and approximately 4 inches wide. For the straps, cut 4 pieces of fabric measuring 7 by 3.5 inches wide. Now for the shorts, fold your fabric in half and then half again. Position your child's shorts on the fold. Now carefully cut around the shorts, leaving a 1 inch seam allowance. On one side only, extend the curve by about 1/2 inch wide. This marks the front of the shorts. Pin the curved sides only. Now take one of the rectangular pattern piece and place it under the bodice. Pin to secure in place. Stitch around the edge of the top, just like so. Once finished, remove the pins and trim away any excess material. Trim any sharp corners and create small incisions on the curve of the armhole. Now flip the fabric inside out and you have your complete first pattern piece. Now repeat the same process for the other main bodice piece. For the ruffles, create a gathering stitch along the top. Once finished, pull the threads. Place the bodice piece and the ruffle piece right sides together, pin to secure. Stitch along here. That completes one side of the top. Now do the same for the other. Take the back and front top pieces and put them right sides together and pin the sides. Carefully stitch along the edge. Your top is almost complete. For the straps, fold the strips in half, right sides together and pin. Stitch along the edges, leaving one end open. Then turn the strip inside out. One strap is complete. Now do the same for the other 3 straps. Pin the straps down onto the corners of the top. Carefully stitch to secure the straps. Hem the top and your top is complete. For the shorts, stitch the curved ends only. Open up the shorts and pin the crotch area. Stitch along the crotch area. Create a fold to insert the elastic band. Pin together. Measure your child's waist and cut out an elastic band. Stitch around the fold, leaving a 2-inch wide opening. Use a safety pin to insert the elastic band. Stitch the elastic ends together. Stitch the opening and hem the shorts, and your outfit is complete. Here's the final look. My daughter absolutely loved her new outfit, as you can tell by her poses. Thank you for watching. Please click that subscribe button and I'll see you next time.